January ngiyachata.
Yebo, hayi Jesus. Yaphuma idust encwadini zikatata. Jesus.
Mhlanje ngizothi uJanuary uyeza. uJanuary uyeza. Nangu umzalwane omile laphana efakaza usitshela ngodaba lwakhe lokuthi uNovember ufikile, wabona abanye abantu bejabula. uDisemba wafika, wabona abantu beDisemba, abantu beba nesikhathi esimnandi, abantu bejabula. Kodwa yena uyagodola, yena uhleli, yena ubherishwe yisnow, yena uhleli osizini, yena uyakhala. Kodwa namhlanje ngizosho ngithi uJanuary uyeza. If you find it very difficult to continue pushing in life, if you are finding it very difficult to continue living day by day, if you are finding it very difficult to conquer your battles each and every single day, I'm here to tell you that January is coming. January is on its way, and nawe uzawuphumelela ngoJanuary, nawe uzawujabula ngoJanuary, nawe uzawushada ngoJanuary.